To begin using BHuman, you must first train the AI voice, which is a straightforward process that comes with instructions. Once the AI voice is trained, you can record your video using one of three methods: uploading it into BHuman, recording it through your webcam, or recording it through your mobile phone. In this demonstration, the webcam on a computer was used to record the video. After recording, you select the variable that you want the AI voice to replace, allowing your voice to be generated by AI. You can provide variable information to BHuman in one of three ways. With this demo, I am using the built-in spreadsheet in BHuman. Once the videos are rendered, you can review the results and improve the AI voice. It's done rendering the videos. Let's see how they came out. Here's the first one.
Tom, thank you for watching this video. We look forward to seeing you in the next episode. All right, you take care.
Now the second one.
Bill, thank you for watching this video. We look forward to seeing you in the next episode. All right, you take care.
I can improve the AI voice. I made a mistake during setup by using two different microphones. I will need to retrain my AI voice with the same microphone setup I use for my video to get better results. But not bad. I think it's pretty good. Pro tip: use the same mic for training your AI voice that you use for recording your video. It is essential to use the same microphone for training and recording to achieve a natural sound in the videos, as using different microphones with varying levels can result in an unnatural sound. In summary, proper setup is key to producing on-demand, natural-sounding AI-generated videos.